back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Trust Wallet on your Android phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store app. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then type in Trust Wallet. Once you are done typing, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Once the search is complete, click on the Trust Wallet icon and then this tab should open up. Now click on the install button. The downloading process has now started and now all you have to do is wait. Once the downloading percentage hits 100, the app will be successfully downloaded on your mobile phone. Once the open button turns green, the app is now ready to be used. You can click the open button and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app is now ready to be used, and that's it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.